Hi, my name is Blake, also known as Nailed It here on YouTube. I make videos about DIY and home remodeling. My goal is to help you learn something today and save you money in the meantime. My sister called me up the other day wondering if I could help her install Christmas lights on her roof. Here is the final result, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. First, we're going to need some lights. My sister got these lights at Walmart for just under $7. Next, we're going to need some clips. She got these for just under $5. To use the clips, you can simply break off the top. Then slide the peg through the hole just like this. Doing this will give you 3 different angles to mount the lights: 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. This bottom hole is for cable management. This larger hole is for larger lights, and the smaller hole is for smaller lights. This is where it clips onto the rain gutter as shown here. These clips will also install under your shingles like this. To install a light, just simply push down over the ring and the light will slide in. Now that we have that sorted out, let's grab our ladder and start installing some lights. The first thing I notice is that my sister has an outlet installed on her soffit on the outside, which runs to a switch on the inside of her house. If you don't have this option, you can use this timer. This timer automatically turns your lights on and off throughout the day or night. If you don't have a plug in your soffit, you can run an extension cord to any outside outlet, to the timer, and then to the Christmas lights. That way you don't have to remember to unplug them before you go to bed, saving you more money. Not much, but it adds up. Not to mention you can use the timer in other applications. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. As we were getting things set up, my sister looked over at her neighbor's house and realized that her neighbors installed their lights underneath where their soffit is. So for this video we're going to be installing them that way, but feel free to use the other methods on the rain gutter like I showed you earlier in the video. As you can see here, I'm sliding the clip between the soffit. Then I'm just pushing the light bulb up into the larger hole. Once you get the first view done, just keep going down the line until you can cover the entire soffit. If you've made it this far through the video, go ahead and nail that subscribe button. It's completely free and will make my day. Once you get to a corner, you can just follow the soffit or the gutter around the corner like this. Once you think you have everything done, go ahead and plug in your lights or turn on your timer. If everything turns on and you're pleased with how it looks, then congratulations, you nailed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I'll talk to you guys later.